Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata दी. Let's talk about duties of a trainee marine engineer. Very close to me. एक चीज़ आपको समझनी है, the day you go on ship, suddenly things change in your life. Now you are earning money. People will expect a lot from you. They will judge you what you are doing. They will judge you with what you are asking. They will judge you with what you are thinking as well. Don't be afraid. Just keep learning. Don't quit. Keep moving. So without wasting any time, let's just talk about duties of a training marine engineer. So after completing a BTech in marine engineering or after doing a GME course, you join your first ship as a trainee marine engineer and you complete your 6 months on board ship. After completing the 6 months, you come back and then you go for a MEO class for exams, and then later on you can go after clearing them as a junior engineer watchkeeper or as a fourth engineer. But these 6 months are very crucial, and that is where you as a trainee marine engineer. As a trainee marine engineer, your primary responsibility is learning and training, assisting senior engineers, repairs, overhauls, monitoring and operating machinery, etc. See, I can put tens of things over here. But in a very simple way, as a trainee marine engineer, your basic responsibility is to ensure that whatever you are being taught, you are grasping as ASAP. First of all, the thing is when you go on board ship, you try to learn as fast as possible from your off-signer, that is the junior engineer, trainee engineer who is about to go, whom you are relieving. तो आप बोलते भाई तूने क्या क्या सीखा, कहाँ सीखा, बताएगा, अरे राउंड लेगा, ये यहाँ पर he'll be like a boss out there, थिंकिंग क्या कॉन्फिडेंस है. बट यू विल फील कि यार इसको इतना कॉन्फिडेंस कहाँ से आया भाई. व्हेन ही वाज कमिंग द फर्स्ट टाइम वाज जर्निंग, ही वाज लाइक यू, but after getting lot of scoldings, abuses, hardships, today he is acting like a boss. अरे ये तो ये, he knows that. So it happens with everybody and he is smiling because he is going back home and you are sulking, मैं कहाँ आ गया भाई, मैं कहाँ फंस गया. ये फैक्ट है दुनिया का. Can anyways, coming back to the point. So first of all, you take all the responsibilities कि मुझे क्या क्या करना है, and then from the next day or from the next moment itself, make sure that whatever your second engineer tells you in the initial phase, you follow that from here to here, from body to toe, from head to toe, from heart to soul, from anywhere and everywhere. You follow that. Suppose he tells you morning 6 a.m. you have to be here, you should be there by 5:50 a.m. And then don't talk about, sir, when should I go, till the time he tells you to leave. Make sure that you keep working. Initial phase when it will be very difficult for you because you will be climbing stairs up and down. You will feel very tired. Don't feel bad because very soon you will be the fastest climber on board ship. So relax. ये सबके साथ होता है, मेरे साथ भी था, तुम्हारे साथ भी होगा. Copy it? घबराने का नहीं है. Anyways, the video is becoming long. So let's just talk about assisting senior engineers. So one thing is, initial phase में when you will go, you will be getting very nominal jobs like take soundings, कैसे लेते हैं, they will judge you whether you know that or not. That is where achiever package, dreamer package, visionary package come into force, so that तुम्हें पहले से पता रहे भाई क्या है क्या नहीं. So you go take soundings. Don't tell wrong soundings. Don't tell lies. If you do not know, tell them that you do not know. एक बार दिखा दो तो मैं ले लूँगा. Learn from them ASAP. Try not to make mistakes if they have taught you something. Ask them why itself कि सर ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं. Maybe you'll hear भाई तेरे को ये भी नहीं आता. Don't be afraid, but ask them once. Write it down whatever you learned in the day. There are so many things to be told. So पहले sounding, maybe they'll give you mopping, wiping, everything. Don't feel distraught कि हे भगवान मैं कहाँ गया. They are not teaching me anything. They are just giving me mopping, wiping, everything. It happens with everybody. I started with that, and for the first 3 months I was just doing mopping, wiping and cleaning. My life changed slowly and steadily. If I could become a chief, yes, so can you. But सबके साथ होता है घबराने का नहीं. But जो भी काम करो अच्छे से करो. So they will take you at assisting senior engineers. Say if they are overhauling a purifier, overhauling a pump, they will take you, but not initially. Because right now they feel that you are a liability. It's a fact. They will tell you पहले operation सीख लो, incinerator चलाना आता है. Put the rags inside. Burn the start the incinerator. Is it working fine? Yes, fine. Have you taken all the soundings? All is okay. No transfers or all the transfers done? Sir, all the transfers done. Okay. Have you sent the oil record book readings to the chief engineer that this one was transfer? Yes, sir, done. Okay, चल यार आज अच्छा मूड है, चल today we'll be overhauling a small pump, I'll take you along with me. And that is how your journey starts. On the very first day you cannot assume, I will be assisting the third engineer today with the overhauling the boiler. No, it won't happen. You will be working as a cleaner with him. It's simple. And then slowly you learn the art, and then he will say, charge tu kar, charge junior to do it. No worries with that. I know that you can do it right now. Trust takes time. Just don't give up. Keep working hard. Keep learning. Next, Routine inspection maintenance, again same thing. A lot of inspections are there, maybe main engine's cabin inspection, but maybe the first time, most of the time you will be standing outside only. Rags de do, ye de do, wo de do, to the second hand inside. But one fine day, maybe in the 4th month, he'll be saying, chalo come inside, today we'll be doing the inspection together. So everything happens with a reason and everything takes time. Make oilers and fitters your best friend, learn with them, because initial phase mein they'll help you a lot. Next please. Monitoring and operating machinery. Now this is something very important for you. So first of all, you need to learn, when you go on board ship, you will need to learn which readings do you have to take. Say tank sounding se alawa, you have to take generator readings, main engine readings, boiler readings. You need to know pump readings, whatever readings are there. You need to learn how to take those readings and how to monitor that machinery. Say you have taken that reading and suppose this reading has changed. So you should also be able to tell 3 saal, sir, I have taken this reading but I think something is wrong with this. मेरे को आवाज़ आ रहा है या temperature has increased. That is where they will realize that you are a smart engineer. So monitoring is important. Along with that, slowly you start operating machinery. Say 4th year is going to start a purifier. Charge sir, can I start the purifier with you please once after a month at least? You'll say चलो आज सिखाता हूँ. Then learn from him. Write down the steps. Then slowly try to figure out कि ऐसा क्यों किया. Maybe go through the circuit readings. Maybe go through the dreamer package, visionary package, achiever package models that you have got on the app itself. They will help you. If you do not understand, go back to him. साहब ये समझ में नहीं आया, but क्या मैं करके देखूं? If he is stopping, ask him how to stop as well. Write down what he did. पहले लिखो, उसको करना शुरू करो, and then slowly start reasoning कि why he is doing like that. Copied? Everything has a reason. Don't try to experiment please when you go on ship. कि अरे साला ऐसा क्या होता है, खोल के देखेगा. Don't do that. Many junior engineers have made this big blunder on board ship, thinking कि I will try to see what is happening inside. Either their hands have got crushed or the machinery has got damaged, and then Jai Mata Di. So please don't ever do that. Don't ever do anything without taking permission from your seniors. Even if you feel that your seniors are not at all good, they will not give permission, don't do anything. Better not doing than making a big mistake which can hamper your safety or something as such. Done? जिसका आपके पास explanation नहीं है. Rest, assisting in repairs and overall, this will take time. Maybe when the initial overhaul is happening, you will be standing there, अरे 17 का पाना दे दे, अरे 19 का पाना दे दे, give me those rags, give me that grease, give me this thing, give me that thing. You will be only acting like a supplier, but seconds up please, but that's it. But slowly, steadily, after 2 months, 3 months, maybe 4 months, on the 5th month, you will be overhauling your first pump as well. Trust takes time. It has happened with me, it has happened with thousands and lakhs of seafarers who have sailed. It is happening with you as well. So there is nothing abnormal. It is normal if they are taking time with you. Copied? Next please. Safety and emergency. Now this is very important. Don't take it lightly. So when you go on ship, you need to know कि awareness होना चाहिए कि यार what is EBD, SCBS कहाँ पढ़े कहाँ नहीं पढ़े, where is the exit, how to muster, where to muster. All these things are very important because this is essentially your safety. Safety comes first. ये मैं लेक्चर तो दे रहा हूँ, बट दिस वॉज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ माई वीक पॉइंट्स. आई बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. सो मैं बिल्कुल ईमानदारी से बोल रहा हूँ, लेक्चर नहीं दे रहा हूँ. ये मेरा वीक पॉइंट था सेफ्टी. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कंसर्न नहीं दिखा कभी भी. सो दैट इज़ वेयर वंस और ट्वाइस आई हैव पेड द ब्रंट एज वेल. सो आई एम टेलिंग यू, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू नीड टू नो कि EBD कैसे काम करता है. यू नीड टू नो SCBS सेट्स कैसे पहनने हैं एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स, एंड टेक इनिशिएटिव ड्यूरिंग द ड्रिल्स एज वेल. Because during the drill, your second year or the chief officer might ask you, okay junior, you tell how is the life raft going to be lifted, or how to stow the life raft, or how to lower the lifeboat, or how to lower the rescue boat, how to start the rescue boat. So there are a lot of things. Learn them ASAP because izzat important है. Suppose in a drill you are standing and you are able to answer all the questions. सब लोग सोचेंगे क्या लड़का बढ़िया है यार, and that is where the trust comes in. They'll give you better work. नहीं तो जय माता दी है. इज्जत गई, ट्रस्ट गया. इज्जत गई, ट्रस्ट गया. फिर काम क्या मिलेगा? पोछा मारो, झाड़ू करो, पुताई करो. आपकी इज्जत अपने हाथ में है. डॉक्यूमेंटेशन एंड रिपोर्टिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. टुडे if as a junior engineer smart with documentation, paperwork, people will value you. Out here when I say that, also one request, try to become smart with computer, especially with LAN connection and everything, because generally on board ship people do not know that. So if you know all these things, you will be acting as a smart cadet who knows how to make PPTs, working on Excel sheets, getting data, everything, because you will get valued out there as well. तो बजाय कि वो झाड़ू पोछा मिलने के 2-3 महीने के बाद तुम्हें अच्छा काम मिलना शुरू हो जाएगा. Copied? Next is learning and training. Very important. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स यू विल हेयर फ्रॉम योर सीनियर्स, मेरा काम तेरे को सिखाना नहीं है, यू शुड बी नोइंग दैट, माई जॉब इज नॉट टू ट्रेन यू. Don't feel disheartened. They have also heard the same, maybe they are angry with you, and it happens. Your job is to train yourself, your job is to learn yourself. Keep asking questions, don't give up, keep putting your hard work. If one person is not telling you, go to second person, go to third person. Merchant Navy Decoded का प्लेटफॉर्म है तुम्हारे पास आज के डेट में. मेरी पूरी कोशिश है, विजन है मेरा कि तुम्हें ज़रूरत ना पड़े उस ऐप से तुम्हें चीज़ें पता चल जाए. एक ऐसी कम्युनिटी बना, इट विल टेक सम टाइम बट इट विल हैपन, ऑलरेडी देयर. So learning and training is the key. Don't give up on this. Keep learning, keep making notes. जो भी सीखा उसको लिखते चले जाओ. Very very important. You should actively seek opportunities to learn from senior engineers. And yes, एक और चीज़, when they are working on something very important, don't just go, सर क्या कर रहे हो, सर what is this happening, सर मेरे को बता दो ना कैसे करना है. Don't do that. They will kick you off. भाग. It can happen like that, right? Best is let them work, keep seeing, and when he's going and he's in a calm position, हंस मजाक कर रहा है, सर बताना सर 1 मिनट 5 मिनट की चलिए ना सर, मुझे बताइए ना सर आपने क्या किया है. जय माता दी, मोर देन सफिशिएंट. आगे बढ़े. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो. फॉलो मी एट चीफ इंजीनियर प्रणीत. एनी क्वेरी मेल at teammerchantnavydecoded@gmail.com, and this is my WhatsApp number. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता.